Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Is your Air Wick air freshener flashing red right here? You're gonna see a red light flashing. That means it's empty. So the canister inside is empty. Now I'm gonna show you how to reset it. First thing you're gonna do is open this up at the top. We wanna turn the switch off. That's gonna reset it. So turning it all the way to the left is the off position. Okay, so now you're gonna rotate this, grab the top and the bottom, rotate it right here. And now this is your canister, this is your air freshener, and it's empty. So now we need to replace this. Once you get a new one, take the cap off. I like to put it in here. See the three lines right here? I like to put it in. So I like to line this nozzle up. See, that's the nozzle where it comes out. Line that up with those three lines right there. Then you're gonna start off to the side a little bit. It'll go in. See how that's pointing out now? And now rotate this till it clicks. Now, we can turn it on. They give us 15 seconds. We got low, medium, and high right there. Okay, so the first position, now all the way to the left is off. It'll never release any agent. The first position is low. It's gonna spray something every 40 minutes. The middle one is medium every 18 minutes, and the one all the way to the right is high. It's gonna spray something every 9 minutes. Okay, so now your air freshener is reset. It's not gonna flash red at you anymore. And now you've got a new can in there. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.